What's the meaning of absorption? Absorption. 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 Absorption is the process of taking in or assimilating something. It can refer to the physical process of a substance taking in another substance, such as the absorption of water by a sponge, or the absorption of light by a material. It can also refer to the psychological process of taking in information or experience, such as the absorption of a new language or culture. In general, absorption is the process of taking in something and making it part of oneself. This can happen physically, psychologically, or both. Briefly, absorption is the process of taking in or assimilating something. It can happen physically, psychologically, or both.